Following a regular maintenance schedule for your vehicle is the best way to ensure years of driving pleasure. Deciding where to have your vehicle serviced can be the difficult part. The options seem endless, and who can you trust to do the best job of servicing your vehicle? Our Ford Authorized Service Center is the choice for all your maintenance needs. Nobody knows your vehicle better than a factory-authorized service facility like ours. Our technicians are factory-trained with access to the special tools and equipment and the OEM parts that are necessary to keep your vehicle running at peak performance. Our service department works mainly on the makes and models that we sell, and we're very familiar with the Ford lineup, with unlimited access to proprietary information on the Ford lineup. Because we know your vehicle better, we can usually pinpoint a problem more quickly and more accurately, saving you time and money. Best of all, our Ford Authorized Service Center offers competitively priced repair and maintenance services, and if there's a warranty, your coverages extend to every Ford dealer nationwide. Having your vehicle serviced regularly is important. Where you have it serviced may be even more critical. Choose our Ford Authorized Service Center for all your service and maintenance needs.
This is just one of hundreds of vehicles we have in stock ready for delivery. Call us today or come see us at Tomball Ford. We're at the corner of 249 and Spring Cypress Road.